Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo, my name is Susana Tela Pratama. My name 7224 0039 kelas kelas 723A.01. Opinion Speech. Presiden Prabowo and Indonesia Anti-Corruption Policy. Esteemed ladies and gentlemen, I stand before you today sharing my views on a critical issue that continues to impact our nation progress for corruption. Specifically, we will focus on the commitment and policies concerning corruption eradication under the leadership of President Prabowo Subianto. Number one, firm commitment and systematic approach. Corruption, as a President Prabowo has often stated, is a step for disease that can destroy a nation, a people, and regime since the beginning of his tenure. President Prabowo has demonstrated a strong political will to fight in this malicious practice. Several noteworthy points of his approach include 3 points. Num point 1 points. Zero tolerance warning. A clear and stern warning has been issued to all levels of government that corruptor will be processed without fear of paper. This signal that there is no room for compromise for anyone who steals the people's money. Number two, implies a systematic reform. He stresses the necessity of a systematic approach to anti-corruption, moving beyond mere punitive action. This includes preventive measures to improve governance, enhancing budget transparency, and reforming the bureaucracy. The President has particularly highlighted the need to eliminate practice such as budget marks, inflating project costs to ensure clean financial management. Number 3. Upholding fair law enforcement. President Prabowo called for sentence hand down to corruptors to be aligning with the public sense of justice. Strict penalty include the confiscation of assets are essential steps to create a deterrent effect and recover to substantial state loss. In fact, his administration has claimed to have successfully identified and saved hundreds of trillions of rupiah from potential corruption leakage. Number 2. Poin yang kedua. 2 point. The role of the public and future challenge. Uncouplling directive from President Prabowo is the encouragement for the public, especially the youth, to be actively involved in reporting corruption. He has explicitly urged citizens to use technology, record, and disseminate evidence of official misconduct. This is a crucial move to strengthen public oversight and accountability. However, the journey of corruption eradication is continuing now without challenge. We must continue to voice constructive criticism and security regarding the effectiveness of police, such as the reform of law enforcement institution and the rigorous implementation of the merit system and appointing official. This is an integral part of democracy and our collective effort to ensure the commitment is realized to at every level. Conclusion. Ladies and gentlemen, we have witnessed the verbal commitment and tangible steps taken by President Prabowo in declaring war against corruption. We must fully support his focus on system improvement, firm law enforcement, and transparency. Let us treat this as a turning point. Relying solely on the government is not enough. Every segment of society, from individualists to institution, must take an active role as eyes and ears, ensuring that the ideal of a clean, integrated, and prosperous Indonesia can be achieved. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, here I will continue to explain the material about interrogative and question words. In English, you need to learn 8W and 1H. What are the 8W and 1H? What, where, why, when, which, who, whom, was, how. What? What is used to ask about things as me now? What is an interrogative word the function to inquire about something or something related to someone. Example of it used in sentence, what are you doing? Apa yang sedang kamu lakukan? What is your name? Siapa namamu? What time is it? Jam berapa sekarang? In addition to being used to search for information about something, the word what can also be used for asking for repetition or confirmation. To request a repetition or to confirm with someone else has said. For example, why? What? I can hear you. Apa? Aku tidak bisa mendengarmu. You did what? Kamu sudah melakukan apa? Number two, where? If you want to fit on information about the location or place, the destination, and the position of someone or something, of course, the correct question word to use is where. Example question sentence. Where do they live? Where is your mom? Where is my handphone? Which? Number three. Which? Why? How often do you get confused about a choice? Whether it's a choice relates to items, colors, opinions, and so on. Value can use which to ask about a choice. Here is an example sentence for asking about choice. Which color do you want? Which extracurricular do you join in? Which one do you prefer, iOS or Android? Number four, who. Use in the question word who to ask about people or a person subject. Another example is, whoa, open the window. Who are you? Who is your favorite Korean artist? Number five. Number five, womb. Womb Is a type to interrogative for use for a person who holds the position as the object or the recipient of the subject action. Attention to the example below. Whom are you going to meet? What did you see in the morning? Wow, should whom should we send the invitation to? Yang ke yang ke number 8 was in an interrogative word used to ask about possession. How can you use it a sentence? See the following examples. Who asked this novel? Who cast is that? Whose wallet is this? It's yours? Is it yours? Number 9. This is how for you to use when you want to ask about manner or process, condition, and quality. This question word also applies to asking about price, duration, frequency, age, method, distance, or quantity amount. Example, how can you explain this problem? Please tell us. How was your exam? How far is Siem Reap from Phnom Penh? How to form with question? We have question formula. What number 1? We have question with auxiliary verb. Here is the formula for we have question. Auxiliary verb. We have plus auxiliary verb to be, do, or have plus subject plus main verb plus tanda tanya. Example, when are you leaving? Where do they live? What have they decided? 2. We have question with a modal verb. Words that are classified as a modal verbs include can, called, will, would, shall, should, might, mix, must. Here, this formula, we have the modal verbs, Jack main verb. Example, would he stay with? With shall I do? Will shall we read books? How to form we have question. Number 3. Interrogative sentence without auxiliary or modal verb. This formula indication that the word itself has already replaced the subject position. The formula is WH plus main verb plus tanda tanya. Example, who won the game? Whose phone ring? Who booked this? Negative WH question. Without you realizing it, the example of each type of WH question above are the affirmative verb. No, of course, the question sentence and can also be in the negative verb. How to negative WH questions example. Number 1. Positive interrogative sentence without an auxiliary. Who wants an ice cream? Which door open? Negative interrogative sentence without an auxiliary. Who doesn't was an ice cream? Which door didn't open? Conclusion. Interrogative atau question words are words used to form question and order the obtain information, answer, explanation, or confirmation. Interrogative words play an important role in effective communication and in different types, such as what asking about an object situation, who asking about a person, where asking about a place, when asking about a time, how many Asking about quantity, why? Asking about the reason and how. Asking about condition or method. The main function of interrogative force to number one, to seek information. Number two, clarifying communication. Number three, getting an answer. Types and question words and their function. What? Asking about object, situation, or condition. Who? Asking about a person or subject, the door. Where? Asking about a place. When? Asking about time. Which? Asking about quantity or units. Why? Asking about a cause or reason. How? Asking about a state, method, or process. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.